Ang lesson natin today ay kung paano gamitin ang salitang medyo sa English. Medyo. Ang medyo ay may 6 na translation. Quite. Please mind the spelling. Q-U-I-T-E. Iba ito dun sa quiet o tahimik. Ito ay quite. Medyo. A bit. A little. Sort of. Slightly. And somewhat. Interchangeable o pwedeng pagpalit-palitin ang mga salitang ito dahil nga pare-parehong medyo ang meaning nila. Ang laging kasunod ng medyo ay mga adjectives like a bit noisy. Noisy is an adjective that means maingay. Quite messy. Medyo magulo. Slightly annoying. Medyo nakakainis. Here's our first sentence. This room is quite small. This room is quite small. Kahulugan, medyo maliit ang kwartong to. I hadn't seen him in quite a while. I hadn't seen him in quite a while. Medyo matagal ko na siyang hindi nakikita. He's quite rude. He's quite rude. Medyo bastos siya. I'm a bit hungry. I'm a bit hungry. Medyo nagugutom ako. He looks a bit like his cousin Totoy. He looks a bit like his cousin Totoy. Medyo kahawig niya ang pinsan niyang si Totoy. Louie is a bit drunk. Louie is a bit drunk. Medyo lasing si Louie. My legs still feel quite shaky. My legs still feel quite shaky. Medyo nanginginig pa rin ang mga binti ko. It's a bit cold here. It's a bit cold here. Medyo malamig dito. It's slightly windy. It's slightly windy. Medyo mahangin. These pants are a bit tight. These pants are a bit tight. Medyo masikip ang pantalong to. I find that a little bit hard to believe. I find that a little bit hard to believe. Medyo mahirap paniwalaan yon. My sister and I are quite different. My sister and I are quite different. Medyo magkaiba kami ng kapatid ko. I'm still a little confused about what happened. I'm still a little confused about what happened. Medyo nalilito pa rin ako tungkol sa nangyari. She seemed to be getting a little better. She seemed to be getting a little better. Medyo umu-okay na siya or medyo gumagaling na siya. She's quite good at dancing. She's quite good at dancing. Medyo magaling siyang sumayaw. They are quite rich. They are quite rich. Medyo mayaman sila. She left the door slightly ajar. Ibig sabihin ng ajar ay nakaawang o nakabukas ng kaunti. She left the door slightly ajar. Iniwan niya ang pinto na medyo nakaawang. Sorry, I'm a bit busy right now. Sorry, I'm a bit busy right now. Pasensya na, medyo marami akong ginagawa ngayon. His theory is somewhat remote from reality. His theory is somewhat remote from reality. Medyo malayo sa katotohanan ng teorya niya. The price is somewhat higher than I expected. The price is somewhat higher than I expected. Medyo mas mataas ang presyo kaysa sa inaasahan ko. It feels a bit creepy in here. It feels a bit creepy in here. Medyo nakakatakot dito. His reply to my question was somewhat ambiguous. Ambiguous means malabo or hindi malinaw. His reply to my question was somewhat ambiguous. Medyo malabo ang sagot niya sa tanong ko. Our exam was quite difficult. Our exam was quite difficult. Medyo mahirap ang exam namin. This restaurant is quite quiet on Mondays. This restaurant is quite quiet on Mondays. Medyo tahimik ang restaurant na to kapag Lunes. These shoes are quite expensive. These shoes are quite expensive. Medyo mahal ang mga sapatos na to. His children are still quite young. His children are still quite young. Medyo bata pa ang mga anak niya. He seems slightly embarrassed. He seems slightly embarrassed. Parang medyo nahihiya siya. The weather is a bit warmer today. The weather is a bit warmer today. Medyo mas mainit ang panahon ngayon. He's a bit puzzled. He's a bit puzzled. Medyo naguguluhan siya or medyo nagtataka siya. I'm quite tired but I can still walk a little further. I'm quite tired but I can still walk a little further. Medyo pagod na ako pero kaya ko pang maglakad ng kaunti pa. He got quite emotional during the speech. He got quite emotional during the speech. Medyo naging emotional siya habang nagsasalita. The water looks quite deep over there. The water looks quite deep over there. Mukhang medyo malalim ang tubig banda roon. He lives in Riyadh, so he speaks Arabic quite well. He lives in Riyadh, so he speaks Arabic quite well. Nakatira siya sa Riyadh, kaya medyo magaling siyang mag-Arabic. We were somewhat disappointed with the movie. We were somewhat disappointed with the movie. Medyo na-disappoint kami sa pelikula. He was somewhat saddened by the news. He was somewhat saddened by the news. Medyo nalungkot siya sa balita. She sort of pretends that she doesn't really care. She sort of pretends that she doesn't really care. Medyo nagkukunwari siyang parang walang pakialam. Are you sleepy? Inaantok ka ba? Sort of. Medyo. Are you sleepy? Inaantok ka ba? Sort of. Medyo. Do you understand? Naiintindihan mo ba? Sort of. Medyo. Do you understand? Naiintindihan mo ba? Sort of. Medyo.